Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Recently, one of my oldest friends and the guy I write my books with, Andrew Walkley, recently got married for the second time. And along with my family, we went along to the ceremony and the reception party that was held afterwards. And it was a really lovely day out. I ran into loads of people I haven't seen for ages. It was really nice to see Andrew and his blushing bride, Nadira, his better half, looking so happy. And all in all, a splendid time was had. The next day, I got a text message from an old friend of mine, Rebecca, who I used to work with at University of Westminster, asking me if I'd enjoyed the whole event. And I said I had, very much. I asked her if she'd had a good time. And she said, yeah, it was a cracking event. In everyday spoken and informal written English, we often use cracking basically just to mean great or really, really good. So you might say you went to a cracking party or the party was cracking. You might describe having visited somewhere as being a cracking day out. When you're watching football, if you're lucky, you might see a cracking goal. A player or a team might have a cracking performance or put in a cracking performance. And if a result is really, really good for you or for your team, it's a cracking result. We also often use it to talk about books and talk about films. So you might say, oh, it's a cracking novel that. It's a cracking read. Oh, that film was amazing. It's a cracking view. Sometimes we just use it as an answer to questions as well. So if you've been away somewhere, someone might say to you, hey, how was Moldova? Ah, it was cracking. I had a cracking time. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use cracking.